The 01V clamp for edge cut keys is factory calibrated prior to shipping. At some point during your use of the machine, the clamp may require calibration again, or you may purchase optional clamps that will need to be calibrated before use. To do so, follow these instructions. From the Home menu, select Options, Calibration, Clamps Standard Keys. The right side of the screen will display the clamps available for the edge cut side of the Futura. For this example, we'll select the 01V clamp. Select Start to begin the calibration process. You'll receive a reminder to read the instruction manual before proceeding. Once you have reviewed the instructions, select OK. Calibration of the 01V clamp requires the use of the Z3 template key. The illustration on the tablet shows how to properly load the Z3 calibration key into clamp side A using stop 0. Load the Z3 template key as shown. And select Start to begin the process. The next screen verifies the specific clamp to be calibrated. Select Yes. Check the Z3 template installed. Select Yes, then press Start to begin. During the calibration process, the cutter will actually shave the Z3 key by making several passes over the cutter. At this point, you will be prompted to carefully clean the optical reader and the Z3 calibration key without removing it. After cleaning, close the shield and select Start to continue. The machine will now use the Z3 template to calibrate the optical reader. When the process is completed, select Yes to save the data. Select OK. Notice that the clamp calibrated box indicates that the clamp has been calibrated.